Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Let's Crack OPSC. Hope all of your preparation going well. And sir and ma'am, before I go for today's discussion regarding Odisha geography, for all your kind information, we have already started the OS Prelim examination test series. If you are willing to join, then say hi, I am interested in your test series in my email address abishoy27@gmail.com. You can also send me email at askabacademy@gmail.com. Friends, today we will be discussing more of the geography. It is going to be very informative. Then do give a like to this particular video, and also whenever you are watching the videos, do give a like. It will be added to your liked list, and you can directly have a look whenever you require. That is going to be very much helpful. Not only that, when you give like, it really a motivating factor for us. So today we will be discussing more of the geography, especially geography of Odisha portion. It can be asked in OS Prelim examination, 1 or 2 questions, or it can also be asked in ASO examination. So very important discussion. Odisha is situated. See where Odisha is situated, you need to be knowing that what is the latitude and longitude Odisha is situated. 17 degree 49 minute north, 17 degree 49 minute this north to 29 degree 34 minute north. This is the situation from the north. This 17 degree 49 minute north to 29 degree 34 minute north. You have to know that from this to this, you have to understand that from 17 degree means closer to equator. The southernmost point is 17 degree 49 minute, and the northernmost point is 29 degree 34 minutes. Then after coming to longitude, in this is about 81 degree 29 minute east, 81 degree 29 minute east to 87 degree 29 minute east. This is again from the, you can say, east west, whatever east west the spread of Odisha. So 81 degree 29, only see 81 87, 29 29 remains the same from 81 to 87. Hope try to simplify the fact. Whenever you simplify the fact, it is very easy for you to remember those facts. It just like this, that is 17 degree 49 minute to 29 degree 34 minute, from 81 degree 29 minute to that is 87 degree 29 minute. Very important. Then coming to next one is sub-mountain plateau of Odisha is termed as zone of transition between plain and the mountain region. There are different regions in Odisha's geography, and out of which this is a important region, that is sub-mountain plateau of Odisha. Sub-mountain plateau of Odisha, zone of transition. It is a zone of transition between the plain and the mountain region. It is see, Eastern Ghats passes through Odisha. So this particular region, it is the transition zone between plain and the mountain region. Whatever the coastal plains are there, you know the coastal plain, I have given you that 6 rivers as BBBMR. I have given you that particular formula as BBBMR. As I have given you Subarnarekha, Budabalanga, Boitarani, Brahmani, Mahanadi and Rusugulya river. So you need to understand that out of that 6, post 6, this particular region is available. After that, the river Subarnarekha has the length of about 89 km. An important fact, Subarnarekha river, I have told you that to comment in the how many states this Subarnarekha river passes through. Its entire length in Odisha is only 89 kilometers. Only 89 kilometers of Subarnarekha river lies in Odisha. Then coming to the next one is the famous Hirakut Dam, the longest in Asia, is situated on the river Mahanadi. See, only the, you can say, the longest dam in Asia, Hirakut Dam, is situated in Mahanadi. Why this particular Hirakut Dam is being made? It is being made in order to stop the kind of a flooding which was happening. And in those days, when the foundation was laid, it was a time of, you can say, the agriculture was not getting the irrigation. So it was a multi-purpose dam. Multi-purpose means electricity as well as irrigation, flood control. All these are been fulfilled by this Hirakut Dam. So you need to understand that dams, whenever required, it helps in multi-purpose effort like electricity generation, like irrigation, like flood control, like you can say even other aspect like fishing in those other regions, like even soil conservation. Some kind of a thing are being happening in those multi-purpose dams. Every time they has to, you have to do the dredging in order to keep it depth, so that more and more water is being received in that particular dam. So I hope that things are clear. The Hirakut Dam, it has transformed Odisha, especially Hirakut Dam has made Sambalpur the rice bowl of Odisha. It is because of Hirakut Dam, all those places of Sambalpur and nearby area, they are getting water for agriculture purpose. Rice is being cultivated. Because of that, Sambalpur region is called as rice bowl of Odisha. So you need to understand that this kind of things are happening. Not only that, all the industries, many industries are getting electricity directly from the Hirakut Dam. So it is having a very big importance. Then apart from that, the total length of Mahanadi is, its place of origin is 857. In that particular video, the length of Mahanadi in Odisha. And I told you to give me the fact. The fact is 494 km of Mahanadi's 857 km lies in Odisha. 494 km of Mahanadi lies in Odisha, and rest other portion lies in Chhattisgarh. Remember, Mahanadi originates from. Let me know in the comment box where Mahanadi originates from. Then the river which originates from Keonjhar plateau of Odisha is Baitarani river. Which river originates from Keonjhar plateau? It is Baitarani river. Remember Baitarani river. Baitarani river acts as a boundary between Odisha and Jharkhand. Another important fact is Baitarani river is the, you can say, boundary between Odisha and Jharkhand. Then after Salia, Salandi, Budhabalongo river have their source in Similipala hills. Salia, Salindi, all this Budhabalongo river is having their originate from the Similipal hills. Then after 8 types of soil groups are found in Odisha. How many types of soil are found in Odisha? 8 types. 8 types are there in Odisha. There are different types of soil in which Odisha is rich in all the 8 types at different proportion. Some particular soils are having in larger proportion and some particular section is having lesser proportion. But 8 types of soils are there. Then coming to the next one is more than 50% of total area of forest covered by tropical dry deciduous forest. Very important. They have asked this particular question. Odisha's more than 50% of the forest is totally tropical dry deciduous forest. I again repeat the fact. Odisha's more than 50% of its Odisha's forest are tropical dry deciduous forest. Deciduous means whenever the trees shed their leaves, those trees are called as deciduous trees. So Odisha is rich in this particular variety, that is tropical dry deciduous forest. Then coming to the next one is mangrove forest is also known as Hintal Ban, for the kind of tree species grown there. Mangrove forests are called as Hintal Ban because the kind of trees are grown in this mangrove area. You need to know. Then Sundari, a typical species of tree found in tidal mangrove forest. Sundari tree. Sundari tree is a typical tree which is found in this tidal mangrove forest. Remember Sundari tree. Then Jagat Singhpur has the lowest area covered under forest. Remember Jagat Singhpur. Out of all the district, it is Jagat Singhpur which is least forest is present in Jagat Singhpur district. Remember Jagat Singhpur. Ganjam has the highest percentage of forest cover among the coastal districts of Odisha. Important fact is Ganjam district is having the highest, you can say, forest. I am not saying the highest in entire Odisha. It is saying Ganjam district is having highest forest cover among the coastal districts. Let me know in the comment section how many coastal districts are there and this is a important fact that out of the coastal district, it is Ganjam district which is having the largest area covered under forest. Very important. Then the shifting cultivation in Sambalpur district is known as Dedi. Shifting cultivation in Sambalpur district is known as Dedi. Dedi is shifting cultivation of Sambalpur district. Then after, the black bucks of type wildlife species are seen mostly in district of Ganjam. This black buck is a species which is found mostly in Ganjam district. Then the Gahirmatha Marine Sanctuary was officially declared in the year 1997. Gahirmatha is a wonderful place. Let me know in the comment section why Gahirmatha is famous for. Gahirmatha became a sanctuary from 1997 onwards. Remember important fact. The Nalabana Wildlife Sanctuary was started in the year 1957. Nalabana, this wildlife sanctuary, it started from 1957 onwards. Nalabana is a very important wildlife sanctuary. Then Chousinga is a carnivore animal found in Odisha. Odisha, there is a important species which is found in Odisha, that is Chousinga. Then, as per the state forest report, Odisha's total area under forest is 37.34%. 37.34% of Odisha. The total forest cover of Odisha is 37.34. Very important. There is a report in which the India national in the national level, the India's total forest cover supposed to be 33%. Odisha is having more than 33%. That is 37.34%. But in national average, if you will see, it is lying somewhere in 21%. The national forest cover is somewhere it is lying between in 21%. But the actuality, it should be around 33%. But Odisha is having more than the required percent, that is 37.34%, which is a good thing for Odisha, because forest resources is totally depleting all across India, and Odisha is having forest, which is a good. So I hope this particular video is informative to all of you. Do give a like, do share with your friends whosoever applying for this particular exams like OS or ASO examination. And if you are new to our channel, do subscribe our channel. This channel is for guiding you in Odisha Civil Services examination. And if you are interested to join the test series, do join as soon as possible. It is going to be very much helpful. You can send me email at askabacademy@gmail.com. You can also send me email at abishoi27@gmail.com. Thank you very much. Happy learning.